Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video, I will explain you how we can use the pulse timer in LS PLC. But before start this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel. This way you will be never miss upcoming videos. So let's get started. First of all, I will open my XG5000 software and here we will create the new project. Just go to the project and click it on new project, and here you can give the name of your project TP timer. In previous videos already I explained about that how we can complete set up the project. So click it on OK, and after first of all we will take this internal memory bit. Name can give MX0 an example, and next we will take the F10 function, and here just we will go to the timer section, and here you can see this is the TP. TP means pulse timer. Select the pulse timer, and here you can rename your pulse timer. An example, I write this one pulse underscore timer. If you like to see the help and the description of this timer, you can click it on the help, and simply you can go to the page of help, and here what he says, pulse timer function block availability means which models this timer suitable, this is mentioned. IN means timer operation condition, and PT means preset time. In the outputs section, Q is the defined for timer output, and ET is defined for L past time. So click it OK, again click it OK, and your timer will be placed. Next we need to the output which we like to energize with our timer. You can write just timer time H, an example 20 seconds. If you need, can write the 20 seconds. Sorry, we like to be write it here output, so I'm wrong typed. Here we have to be typed QX0.0 dot example. We need the 5 number output, so click it on the 5 and click enter. And this program we will be first compile and download into the PLC. Go to the online section, first click it on the connect. As your PLC will be connected to your PC, you can go to the write mode and click it on the write. What it says cannot write the program to the PLC means have some error which we like to make it correction. What's the error? Because of we not give here the time or how much time we like to set our timer. So we will type the time here. Select the time H 20 seconds. Sorry, this we not correct, right? We have to be type the H and 20 seconds. And next you have to be go to the online section and click it on the right and click it OK. Program will be start downloading, and as this will be completed, after you can go to the monitor. Here you can click it for the monitoring, and here you can, now is monitoring is completed, but you have to make it run the PLC. Now your PLC is in the run mode. And now what's the difference between another timers and this pulse timer? Means we have only give one signal to this timer and our output will be energized, but if we remove the signal, but time will be not stopped. It will be completed his 20 seconds after our output will be on. Once I will give the signal to the MX0, and same as now I stop my MX0, but you can see this time is running continue. Our execution is now stopped. As this time will be completed, after this will be stopped. This is the means of pulse timer. Means one pulse, single pulse when we give to this timer, it will be start his timing and your output will be energized, and after finish the time, after it will be stopped. But then instead of this pulse timer, one more have timer which I like to be explained. We will stop this execution monitoring mode and we will go to the one more line. We will be fix it here. Here we can place MX0, same execution we will be take, but no, we have to be change this execution because of MX1 we will be choose, because of same number if we will be give, after this timer will be also run and this timer will be also run, and we cannot see the difference. Next we will go to the F10 and place it here, and here you can give the name, but first of all we have to be go to the timer, and here you can see this is the TP timer and this is the TP-RST, TP reset timer. Also you can see the function in the help of this TP timer, but he says input yani operation condition of for timer, and PT means preset time and RST means reset. Means between the during the running this timer, if you like to stop the timer for the reason maybe some reason of the logic, so you can give the signal at MX1, after you can stop. Here you can give the rename your pulse timer, and here we will take the output QX0.0.3, an example. And here we have to be give the preset time. For an example, we will give the time H20s, and one more we have to be needed here, give the input signal for the MX2, for example, to reset the timer. And again we will be download this program to the PLC. Click it OK. Again click it OK. Have some error also. What's the error? We have to be check. MX2 we are using for the reset, and preset value we set for 20 seconds, and MX1 is for our start timing, and QX0.3 XEC-DRU60SU No, this is our output is wrong. This we will be delete, and again we will make it here. Copy, and here we can the paste, and after we can change the number of 6 and click it OK. And again we will try to write the PLC, but this is still have a one message error L0709. The instance name is omitted. Row 5 name is, you have to begin name TP reset inst and click it OK and click it OK. Now it's OK, and go to the online and write mode and click it OK, and program will be start downloading. Click it again OK, and you can put your PLC into the run mode. But before go to the online, we have to connect the PLC and put in the online mode, and now you can put it in the monitor mode. Now everything is okay. Now instead of this timer, as we give the signal at X1, you can see our timer is now on and our QX0.6 is also on. Some of the reason, if we like to be stop this execution, we can give the signal at the M2. You can see our timer is now stop and our output is also stop. Maybe now you remove this signal, but your output will be never on, because of this is the function difference between this pulse timer. Same, this is working as the TP timer, pulse timer, but what's function added in this timer? Only this for reset. Any of the reason, yani you like to be stop the timer, it will be stopped immediately. Again I will press this MX1 and you can see our timer is on, but this is time is running. See, you can see still not stop, but as I give the signal at the MX2, you can see our timer is stopped and output is also stopped. So hope guys you will be understand about this pulse timer. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.